but civil service. Myntri Rangbah ke Jilla u Konrad Sangma ula Pynrem jur Halor ke Jingkren usam Pitroda ula ong bakini ki Jingkren jong u ki lakta shi kadai ya ki jingsngo jong kinong shong kathan chatai lamingi bat kitu hakiwe ki benta jong keri ula banjur baki babun kum kitai ki Jingkren kem yahap satya hakano ka benta bat ki kedo ya ki rukam perkhat ki ban hap ngam jiliu usam Pitroda hinin kasngi ula no akam kum usong knor ke Indian Overseas Congress hadin balami ki babun ki Pynrem habayadei bat katai ke Jingkren kentho jong u ka Jingpen snow usangma kalawan hadin ka Jingkren u Pitroda hakaba ula ong baki brio hakathan chatai la mingi kilong kum kiba na China bat kiba na phang chathe kilong kum kiba na Africa.
The comments that came from senior Congress leader, Mr. Sam Pitroda, is indeed very unfortunate, and it has really hurt the sentiments of the people of Northeast and similarly people from other parts of the country. But when we hear senior leaders from the Congress party speak in such derogatory and discriminatory language, it does really hurt the sentiments of our people. And so whatever context they may say that they have spoken in any context, a particular comment like this doesn't really go too well with the people of the country.